Good morning students, welcome back. This is our fourth video of history. We are seeing the lesson sources of history. In the first video we have seen the material sources museums, and the second video we have seen the statues and memorials and the written sources also. In the third video we have seen the newspaper and the periodicals. So in which way newspaper and periodicals helps us in the sources of history? Newspapers mainly helps to social reformation of people and educating the people, and also let the people know about the British policies over them and also their effect on the Indian people. In which way the museums and the monuments, various monuments helps us to know about the history. If you are going to visit the museum or the monuments, we know about the contemporary history, the nature of the monument, and how was the architecture and engineering developed at that period. All these things comes to know from the material sources. Now we are seeing the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar and the newspaper. So let us know. In the January 1920, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar started the fortnightly Mook Nayak. Fortnightly means which is published after every 2 weeks, like the magazines published in the 1 month. Newspaper published daily basis. So the fortnightly published after every the 2 weeks. So the Mook Nayak was the fortnightly. But the latter, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar had to leave for the higher studies to England, and hence he handed over this paper to his colleague. The paper Mook Naik was handed over to his colleague by the Babasaheb Ambedkar, as he has to go to the England for the higher education. Colleague means the co-worker. The two persons working in the same profession, they are the co-workers, they are the colleagues. So the fortnightly Mook Naik was handed over the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar colleague. Then in the April 1927, Dr. Ambedkar started the newspaper Bahishkrut Bharat. Through the medium of Bahishkrut Bharat, he wrote for the reformation of common people and bringing unity among them. So which work he had done from the Bahishkrut Bharat? He make the social reformation among the common people, among the poorest people, and also bring them यूनाइट, उनको यूनाइट करने का और उनको सोशल रिफॉर्म करने का काम ही हैड मेड थ्रू दी बहिष्कृत भारत, हिज न्यूज़पेपर बहिष्कृत भारत. देन ऑल्सो apart from this, he also started the two more newspapers, namely Janta and Prabuddha Bharat. So the various newspaper like Bahishkrut Bharat, the fortnightly Mook Nayak, and again Janta, Prabuddha Bharat, all these newspaper was published by the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, and he did the work like information among the common people, poor people, and bring them unite. All these works made by the Dr. Ambedkar with the help of the Bahishkrut Bharat, the newspaper. Now we are seeing the maps and the drawing. The map, all of you know the map, the any diagrammatic representation of a land or a city that is situated on a paper, that is the map. You know about the India's map, about the world map, about the Maharashtra's map. So the map was also developed in the modern Indian history also. So map is also regarded as an important source of history. The changing nature of a city or a particular location can be traced through the map. So from the map you can know the distance between two landmarks, how far the one place is from another place. So the map is also helps us to know the the changing process, the changing phase of an particular सिटी. यानी कि अगर कोई मैप उस एंशियंट पीरियड में ड्रॉ किया हो, तो उस तब उन दो लोकेशन के बीच में डिस्टेंस क्या था, ये उनके बीच में कौन सा रोड था, उनके बीच में कौन से लैंडमार्क्स थे, और नाउ डेज में वो एरिया, वो लोकेशन कैसा है, उनके बीच में अभी कितना डिस्टेंस है, उनके बीच में कौन से लैंडमार्क्स है, कौन से रोड्स है. ये जो एक डेवलपमेंट और चेंज का फेज है, वी कैन कम्स टू नो फ्रॉम द मैप. The Survey of India was an independent department established during the British period. In the period of Britishes and the government of Britishes, the technically the Survey of India company was established, from which they draw the maps in the scientific way. Through the scientific method of survey, they have created the map of इंडिया. उन्होंने द सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया कंपनी के थ्रू इंडिया का मैप क्रिएट किया था. Various provinces of India, they are the provinces like the Bengal, Kolkata, Mumbai. All these provinces was diagrammatically represented on the map through the company survey of India. The various provinces of India, it is cities, etc. Similarly, the plans designed by the architects proves important from the view of study of architecture of a building as well as phases of the development process of a particular area. So in this way, the maps and drawing help us to know how the architecture is changing from one phase to another, and also the development process of a particular location or particular landmark. In this way, the maps and drawing help us to know the history. For example, the Department of Mumbai Port Trust has the original plan of the Bombay Port. Information about the development of Bombay city can be understood through the plans drafted by the architects and the engineer. तो जो बॉम्बे का पोर्ट है, जो जहाँ पे शिप्स रखे जाते हैं, ये पोर्ट की जो डेवलपमेंट फेजेस की वेरियस मैप्स है, ये अभी भी द मुंबई पोर्ट ट्रस्ट के पास है. और फ्रॉम दे वी कैन नो द ऑल द डेवलपमेंट phases of the Mumbai port. Now we are seeing the oral sources. So with the various things we are seeing in the oral sources, like inspirational song, folks, povada, folk tales, narrations, interviews, fairs, jalsa, art groups, and the rhythmic projects, that is the OV, and the inspirational song. The following sources are included in the oral sources of modern Indian history. Folk songs, you know what is mean by folk song? Any the cultural song about the heritage of the particular state or country, that is included in the folk song. And povadas is like the dramatic representation of the any event which is narrate and which is sung by some person, that is the पोवाड़ा. अगेन जो ये पोवाड़ा गाने वाले और लिखने वाले लोग होते हैं उनको शाहिर बोलते. इफ़ यू हैव हर्ड द नेम लाइक लोक शाहिर अन्ना भाऊ साठे और लोक शाहिर बाबा साहेब पुरंदरे, so particularly the person who sing the povadas is the shahir. Again, folk tales, the cultural stories are also known as the folk tales. And the narrations means the narrating the stories of various culture or the incidents. Then the interviews, the various interviews like the question answer sessions considered in the interviews. The fairs, jalsa, art groups are also helps to know the history and which are included in the oral sources. Rhythmic prose like the OV. You have heard about the Sant Tukaram, Sant Dhaneshwar. They have write various OVs in which they let us know about the history. And the inspirational songs. Inspirational songs always motivate us and inspire us and let us know about the history. So various patriotic songs are there which let us know about the history. So in the next video we will see the inspirational songs and povadas in the details. Thank you.